Green has always been a favorite color at Crayola. We want to ensure the kids of today have a healthy environment for their creative tomorrows.
Over a century ago, when Crayola began manufacturing in Pennsylvania, we did that by harnessing the power of the Bushkill Creek. And that culture became a part of how we operated as a company from that time. A little over a decade ago, we found a path to install a solar farm. Today we have 33,000 solar panels, and on a sunny day in Forks Township, there's enough power coming off of that solar farm to run both of our plants there and our corporate office. So we're very proud of the fact that in the 10-year anniversary of the Crayola Solar Farm, we've been able to manufacture 10 billion crayons and 7 billion markers with the power of the sun.
Kids around the world can say that their crayons, their markers, their paints are made with 100% renewable energy. We view sustainability as very much a journey. Every day we are looking at how can we make our company more sustainable, how can we make our company more green. So it's a commitment to getting better every day.